for your Storm Team 2 forecast. Here's a look at some of the countdowns we are approaching. 18 days now until Thanksgiving. The average first inch of snow typically comes about 28 days from now. There's a chance we could see that as early as Monday. And winter technically not starting until 41 days from now. However, it's going to feel much colder than our normal start to winter as this Arctic blast makes its way into the Miami Valley. We are looking at very cold temperatures heading into Tuesday. Your high only 28 degrees. This is for Tuesday, not Sunday. We'll talk about the next weather in store for tomorrow coming up in just a second. But first, that Tuesday high will be below the normal high for our first day of winter, which is 34 degrees for Dayton. And then on top of that, the record cold high for Tuesday is 36 degrees. We are going to bust that record with a high only of 28 degrees. As far as precipitation goes, not much to talk about heading into Sunday. A weak trough kind of moves through. There's a chance for a few isolated showers, but overall we're just going to become more cloudy throughout the day. Then Sunday night into Monday morning is when things start to change. That's when we start to see the cold front approaching the Miami Valley. Notice the blue color starting to sneak in up at the top of your screen. We start to see some isolated mist or rain early on Monday morning. By lunchtime, we'll continue to see some rain, that cold front moving through, temperatures dropping, and the rain likely turning over to snow. And we are tracking the potential for snowfall accumulation this go around. But for now, let's enjoy the nice weather we're dealing with in the clear live Doppler 2 HD we are looking at right now. Not much to talk about as we take a look at the bigger picture. We have high pressure down to the southeast and a low pressure system up to our northwest. That's going to bring up some of that warmer air from the south into our region with that weak trough moving through I mentioned earlier. Just going to increase the cloud coverage heading into tomorrow. Overall, that setup is a weak warming trend that we're dealing with. We're 8 degrees warmer than the same time yesterday, so it feels not too bad out there. And your high tomorrow will be about 8 degrees warmer than today, if not closer to 10 degrees. We're looking at a high of 53 degrees in Dayton, nearing the 60s there in Cincinnati and 60s down into Kentucky. So tomorrow is going to be a nice day to get outdoors other than it being cloudy and breezy at times. For now, we are sitting at 39 degrees in Dayton. It is 39 in Xenia as well, 38 in Eaton. We still have a 41 on the board there in Oxford. On our Dunkin' Oil Company camera, we saw off and on cloud coverage, clear skies heading into the night, but cloud coverage will build once again overnight. 38 degrees right now in Springfield with a south wind at 6 miles per hour. Tonight's low, 35 degrees. It is going to be chilly. And then tomorrow, yes, we're going to have above normal temperatures. That normal number is 42 degrees, so we'll be at 53 degrees tomorrow. Here's the breakdown of your hour-by-hour forecast. Notice we'll see partly cloudy skies becoming mostly cloudy to cloudy by the time the sun sets. Overall, in your Storm Team 2 7-day forecast, we are tracking that chance for rain turning to snow on Monday, and that is Veterans Day. Temperatures on the colder side, especially heading into Tuesday. We keep those temperatures below normal for much of the work week, and then we kind of warm up a bit heading into next weekend.
That's a pretty active forecast. Whole lot going on there, especially the rain to snow. We'll be tracking that closely.
Yeah, cold weather is coming in.
All right, thank you, Carly. Whole lot